Manila. The Armed Forces of the Philippines is ramping up its modernization program with ambitious plans to acquire 2 diesel-electric submarines and enhance its overall defense capabilities. This initiative is part of the Armed Forces of the Philippines' long-term strategy to strengthen its military forces amid regional security challenges, particularly in the South China Sea. The Armed Forces of the Philippines Chief General Romeo Brawner Jr. recently reaffirmed the country's commitment to procuring submarines, emphasizing their critical role in safeguarding the Philippines' extensive maritime territory. As an archipelagic nation, the Philippines faces unique security challenges that require advanced naval deterrence capabilities. The procurement of submarines is crucial for the defense of our maritime domain. We aim to achieve this under Horizon 3 of the Armed Forces of the Philippines Modernization Program, Brawner stated. The Armed Forces of the Philippines Modernization Program is structured into 3 phases: Horizon 1, 2013 to 2017, Horizon 2, 2018 to 2022, and Horizon 3, 2023 to 2028. However, in January 2024, the list of acquisitions under Horizon 3 was revised, creating the new Horizon 3 Inches framework, extending its timeline to 10 years. Under this plan, the submarine acquisition budget is estimated between 80 billion Philippine pesos to 110 billion Philippine pesos, covering not only the vessels but also basing infrastructure and logistical requirements. Due to budgetary constraints, the Armed Forces of the Philippines is exploring both local and foreign financing options to fund the submarine project. France's naval group has been actively engaging with Philippine defense officials, offering its Scorpion-class submarines as a potential choice. The deal also includes submarine basing support, crew training, and a financing scheme to facilitate the acquisition. In addition to submarines, the Philippines has been investing in its missile defense systems. In January 2022, the Department of National Defense, DND, signed a contract with India's BrahMos Aerospace for the acquisition of BrahMos supersonic cruise missiles, worth approximately $375 million. The first batch of these shore-based missiles arrived in April 2024, following successful operator training conducted in India. Further expanding its missile arsenal, the Philippines is expected to finalize a deal with India for the acquisition of the Akash short-range missile system. Reports indicate that this agreement, valued at over $200 million, could be completed within the fiscal year 2025. The move signals the Philippines' intent to diversify its defense partnerships beyond traditional allies. President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. has taken steps to revitalize the Philippine defense industry. In October 2024, he signed a law that provides tax incentives and government-backed financing to boost local defense manufacturing. The law aims to reduce the Philippines' reliance on foreign military equipment while fostering the development of indigenous defense technology. The Philippines has also upgraded its military ties with South Korea, elevating their relationship to a strategic partnership in October 2024. This partnership includes discussions on acquiring fighter jets, submarines, and advanced missile systems from South Korea. Additionally, South Korea has offered to assist the Philippines in developing its own defense industry. Another key component of the Philippines' defense strategy is its Enhanced Defense Cooperation Agreement, EDCA, with the United States. Signed in 2014, EDCA allows for the rotational presence of U.S. troops and the construction of military facilities within Philippine bases. The agreement continues to play a vital role in strengthening the country's defense posture in the region. The Philippine Navy is also undergoing significant upgrades to enhance its surface fleet. In June 2022, the DND signed a contract with Hyundai Heavy Industries of South Korea for the procurement of 6 offshore patrol vessels. These vessels, based on the HDP 2200 design, are expected to enhance the Navy's maritime patrol capabilities, with deliveries scheduled between 2026 and 2028. Additionally, the Navy is set to receive 2 new corvettes from Hyundai Heavy Industries. These vessels, part of the Miguel Malvar class, will strengthen the Navy's littoral combat capabilities. The first steel cutting ceremony for these corvettes took place in May 2023, and deliveries are expected by 2026. The Armed Forces of the Philippines' modernization efforts come amid heightened tensions in the South China Sea. The Philippine government has been vocal in asserting its territorial claims against China's increasingly aggressive maneuvers in disputed waters. In recent months, incidents involving Chinese maritime forces harassing Philippine vessels have further escalated tensions. China has criticized the Philippines' plans to deploy mid-range missile systems, warning that such moves could provoke unnecessary confrontations. Despite this, the Philippine government insists that its military upgrades are purely defensive, aimed at protecting its sovereignty and ensuring regional stability. The Philippines is taking bold steps to modernize its military, focusing on acquiring advanced naval and missile capabilities while strengthening international defense partnerships. The acquisition of submarines, expansion of missile systems, and continued collaboration with allies reflect the country's commitment to national security. As regional tensions persist, the success of these modernization efforts will play a crucial role in shaping the Philippines' defense posture in the years to come.